Hello, today our team will be presenting about Ubuntu VS Windows. Upon completing our report, our team has possessed extensive knowledge about both Ubuntu and Windows operating system. So today we will be sharing that knowledge with you. Before we start, I would like to introduce our team members in presenting order. First up is me, Edison, followed up by Ian, then Chang Hao Zheng, and lastly Tan Yan Bing. In our report, we will talk about the backgrounds of both Ubuntu and Windows, their uniqueness and special features, the comparative analysis of characteristics between Ubuntu and Windows, as well as their distinguishing factors from other operating systems. Finally, we will talk about the pros and cons evaluation. To start off our presentation, we can all agree that Ubuntu's icon design looks better than Windows. But that doesn't mean that Windows features fall behind Ubuntu. So let's talk about it in the next slide. In this presentation, we aim to provide an in-depth comparison between Ubuntu and Windows. We will be exploring different aspects of this operating system, which includes their security, performance, platform features, software compatibility, community support, and lastly, user interface.
Hi, my name is Ian, and I will be continuing the final part for the introduction. After reading this report, readers can expect to achieve the following. Audience are able to grasp a thorough understanding of Ubuntu and Windows through this presentation, gaining insights and analyzing the features of Ubuntu and Windows for a better understanding of their differences. Highlight trade-offs between Ubuntu and Windows, allowing readers to access the advantage and disadvantages of each system. From this presentation, readers will be equipped to make well-informed choices when selecting an operating system. For the background of Ubuntu, Ubuntu is a free and open-source Linux-based operating system developed by Canonical Ltd. Ubuntu aims to provide a user-friendly and accessible computing experience while promoting the principles of open source software. Ubuntu is suitable for various use cases including personal computing, software development, server hosting, and cloud infrastructure. Coming to the uniqueness and special features of Ubuntu. Open source. Built on open source values, allowing anyone to access, modify, and share the code. Stability. Reliable performance with very few crashes and issues. Personalization. Custom desktops, appearance and behavior to your liking. Package management. Streamlined software handle with Debian system. Community support. Active collaborative community for assistance and learning. Software Center. User-friendly hub for easy app installation and management. Moving on to comparative analysis of characteristics of Ubuntu. Ubuntu is an open source operating system built upon the Linux kernel. The Windows GUI is designed for easy interaction using visual elements instead of text commands. Ubuntu has limited commercial software, but compensates with a vast collection of free open source applications for various purposes, such as office suites, multimedia tools, and development environments.
Distinguishing factors from other operation systems. This approach simplifies software management for users and ensures a consistent and secure installation process. This proactive approach to maintaining the operation system ensures that the user benefit from a reliable and secure computing environment, safeguarding their data and privacy. Cloud and server applications. Ubuntu reliability and performance extend beyond the desktop to server environments and cloud computing. Moving on, we have pros and cons. The first pro is that it is open source. Being open source means that the source code of the operation system is freely available for anyone to view, modify, and distribute. Another pro is that This proactive approach enhances the overall security of the operation system, making it a reliable choice for both personal and professional use. Cons: software vendors often prioritize creating an application for Windows or macOS due to their larger user bases. Manufacturers often prioritize creating drivers and software for Windows, leaving Linux users with limited or suboptimal hardware support in some cases. Background of Windows: Windows is a proprietary operation system created by Microsoft Corporation in 1985. It has gone through different versions including XP, Windows 7, 10, and 11 as of 2021. Windows is designed to provide a versatile and user-friendly computing experience for individuals and businesses. Windows satisfies the need for an operation system with compatibility for various software and hardware devices. Uniqueness and special features. Software variety. Windows offers a wide array of software options, from commercial to free choices, with strong developer support. Gaming focus. Known for gaming compatibility and optimized graphic drivers, making it a favorite for gamers. Closed source. Windows is a proprietary OS giving Microsoft full control over development, distribution, and licensing. Timely updates. Microsoft provides a regular update and security patches to enhance security and introduce new features.
Hi sir, I'm Yan Bin and I'll be talking about comparative analysis of characteristics. Unlike open source operating systems such as Linux, Ubuntu, where the source code is openly accessible to the public and the community can contribute to its development, Windows follows a closed source model. Secondly, the GUI elements include windows, icons, menus, buttons, and other graphical components that make computing more accessible to a wide range of users. Furthermore, I'll be talking about distinguishing factors from other operating systems, such as commercial software support. Windows benefits from robust support by major software vendors and developers. Prominent software companies like Adobe and Google prioritize developing versions of their application for Windows, ensuring that users have access to a comprehensive suite of tools for productivity, creativity, and many more. Closed source and proprietary. Windows is a closed source operating system, meaning that its underlying source code is not made available to the public. Moreover, I'll be talking about the pros and cons evaluation. For the pros, Windows operating system has wide software compatibility, covering common office tools to specialized software in fields like design, engineering, and research. Moreover, Windows offers optimized graphic drivers for enhanced gaming experience, maximizing hardware potential. Not only that, as for the cons, unlike open source systems, Windows users rely on Microsoft for updates and modifications. Acquiring license for Windows can be expensive, especially for the latest versions and specialized editions. Lastly, this is a challenge for users with older hardware or limited devices. In conclusion, Windows, a proprietary operating system developed by Microsoft, boasts extensive software compatibility, gaming support, and a user-friendly interface. Not only that, Ubuntu's open source nature, customization capabilities, and stability attract users who value transparency, community-driven development, and a secure computing environment. And that's all for our slides. Thank you.